Do you need to allow repeated calls from certain people on your iPhone's Do Not Disturb mode? In this video, I will show you exactly how. I'll walk you through the simple steps of enabling the repeated calls feature so that any urgent contact won't be missed. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap Focus. After that, tap Do Not Disturb. And then tap where it says People. So now at the bottom, you'll see an option called Allow Repeated Calls. A second call from the same person within 3 minutes will not be silenced. So if you want to allow repeated calls, simply toggle this on. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.